Hello and welcome to this video on how to run an independent samples t-test here in Jamovi. So let's get started. We have two variables here. The first is section, which includes groups A and B, and the second variable is score, which include test scores for both groups A and B. Here we can see that we've set group to be a nominal variable with the data type being text, while score is a continuous variable with the data type set to integer. Group A here has studied for 1 hour while group B studied for 4 hours. So let's see if there's a significant difference between the test scores of both groups. We can do that by running a t-test. Let's go over here to test and then select independent samples t-test. Let's select the dependent variable score and the grouping variable group. We can also select the mean difference, effect size, descriptives, and descriptive plot for additional information.
Here are the results. We can see that the mean difference here is 9.00, which indicates that the test scores of group A are higher than the test scores of group B. The p-value is 0.001, which is less than 0.05. This indicates that there is a statistically significant difference between the test scores of group A and group B. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant difference between the test scores of group A and B. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. This means that the probability that this difference happened by chance is extremely low.
We can also see that the Cohen's d effect size is 1.71, which is considered very large, since any effect size above 0.8 is considered large. This tells us that the difference between the two groups is not only statistically significant, but also practically meaningful. Finally, looking at the group descriptives, we can see that the group A has a higher mean score of 83.9 compared to group B's mean score of 74.9, which support the result of independent samples t-test.
In summary, this tutorial demonstrated how to conduct an independent samples t-test in Jamovi, including setting up variables, running the analysis, and interpreting the results. The finding shows a statistically significant and practically meaningful difference between the test scores of Group A and Group B.
And that's how we run an independent sample t-test here in Jamovi.